Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan suddenly stops working, it can be confusing because the issue isn't always obvious. You flip the switch, but nothing happens, or maybe the fan was working fine earlier and just stopped. Problems like this can come from multiple sources, including power supply issues, wiring connections, remote control faults, or even internal components inside the fan. The tricky part is that everything might look normal from the outside, which makes it harder to figure out where the problem actually is. Instead of guessing or assuming the fan is completely damaged, it's better to go through a proper step-by-step check to identify and fix the issue correctly. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow to get your Harbor Breeze ceiling fan working again safely and efficiently. Try these. 1. Check the wall switch and ensure the power supply to the fan is turned on. 2. Inspect the circuit breaker and reset it if it has tripped. 3. Turn off the power and check the fan wiring connections inside the canopy. 4. Replace the remote control batteries. If the fan uses a remote. 5. Pairing the remote with the fan receiver if it is not responding. 6. Turn the power back on and test the fan to confirm it is working properly.